and welcome to a tutorial for the Sky Browser module for OpenSpace. So currently we are within the solar system and therefore we are in the telescope view. So when you start OpenSpace you will see two green squares, and these are the Sky Browser, the one that displays the night sky and is also an instance of the Worldwide Telescope app, and the Sky Target, the aim of what currently is displayed in the Sky Browser. And both the Sky Browser and the Sky Target can be moved by dragging them around while pressing left mouse button. Furthermore, it is possible to change the size of the Sky Browser by dragging along its sides and corners. It is also possible to zoom by scrolling, and to fine adjust the view by dragging while pressing right mouse button. So now you can open the Worldwide Telescope icon, and here we have three different interfaces. This one that is attached to the bottom, and then a one that is detached as a floating window, and also a right side window. And for all these windows it's possible to change the size by dragging along different sides. So here you can see the Worldwide Telescope image collection that is divided by all images and images currently within view. It is also possible to search for any image in the search field, and if you hover over or on the question mark, you can read additional information about the object in the image, and also press a link to open even more information in a web browser. It's also possible to open the image's celestial coordinate and field of view in ESA Sky. So if you press on an image, you add it to the Sky Browser collection that you can see down in the right corner, and the image is also displayed in the Sky Browser. And for the images in the browser collection, it is possible to delete images and to add new images, and to change like that, and to change the opacity as well as the ordering of the images. There are also additional features to control the Sky Target that can be found under the browser name, and those are available for the currently active Sky Browser. And these are Look at Target, which focuses the camera on the target's position, and Place Target in the center of the sky, and Lock the current position of the target, and to add images to the 3D Sky Browser. So this function is not very relevant now, as there are very few images that have 3D positions, but it will be relevant later down the line. So currently there are only a few images that have 3D coordinates. It's around 60 images. And if we go outside the solar system, the telescope view changes to the space view. And out here we can look at images at the position of the object in the image. So if you set the focus of the OpenSpace camera to 3D Sky Browser, you can go there by right-click drag. And if you want to go faster, you can also press Z while dragging. And if you want to place the 3D Sky Browser position at an image location, you need to find an image with an additional Add button, because it's these images that have 3D coordinates. And by pressing the button, the image is added and placed in the 3D browser at the position of the object that is displayed in the image with correct scale. And now, if you want to go back to the telescope view, you need to go inside of the solar system again. And this can be done by setting Earth as the focus and then going there. and when you get close, the mode will automatically change to telescope mode, and the browser and the target appear again. So finally, we have some extra information that can be useful. So if the GUI disappears, you can reload it by pressing F5. And we have two known bugs. One is that if the browser or target is behind the GUI won't respond to mouse clicks. And also that sometimes when closing a Sky Browser tab, the whole OpenSpace app crashes. And this information is also available when you're doing the user tests. Thank you for your time.